Welcome back to another video.
I'll get in the camera a bit more.
Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the BSN.
You're leaning on me, man. That's alright, but don't take the mic.
Lean on me. I'll be strong.
Mr.
I'll be. Oh man, is it? I'll be your friend.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay. Anyway, today we'll be doing What are we doing?
I told you. Things
Ghanaian mums do not like.
What do you say now?
Je déteste. French. Bam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, this is a short video, just naming things that Ghanaian mothers don't like. Obviously I can't do
Oh wait, I forgot to do something. I'm X2 and that's X1. Just to let you know if you're new to the channel. Continue.
Alright, we're doing what Ghanaian mothers don't like. And obviously we can't really do what Ghanaian fathers don't like. Because we don't have a Ghanaian dad.
Dad.
What I'm saying is we haven't got a Ghanaian father, so
yeah.
We can only do it from a mother's perspective. But it'll be interesting if someone could do one on Ghanaian fathers. That'd be very interesting. I'd watch that, you know. Okay, one thing my mum doesn't like is hoovering at nighttime, like, you know, using the vacuum cleaner after daytime.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means. I don't know why. She just thinks it's bad luck. I get told off when I do it.
Wait, hoovering at night time? What's wrong? We never do that. I've never done that.
Yeah, we do.
I've never done
Yeah,
that.
because you never hoover.
No, you've never done that before.
You never hoovered the house.
Yeah, but no, I've never seen you do that. No, I've never seen...
I have.
No, you
It's
haven't.
a liar.
No, you haven't. He hasn't. He's never hoovered before. I'm
It's
the
a
active
liar.
one in the family. You know? First in command. I'm joking. Second. Third, actually.
What, after dad?
Yeah. No, after dad, then... No, wait. Dad, then you, then me. Then mum. Actually, no, mum's the overall. She's the queen of Sheba.
Yeah, she's the queen of Sheba. She's so much of the queen, she won't be watching this video.
So, what's wrong with hoovering at night time?
I don't know, I mean, I love my mum, but she's very superstitious, you know? And,
Black cats.
oh yeah, another thing she don't like dogs or cats in the house. It's different if it was in Ghana and we had a house. Then it would be outside the house, you know? In the garden. It would never be in the house. Okay, what's another thing my mum doesn't like?
People. In general, you know. She answers calls having to fake to be happy, but really she just doesn't like speaking to people, you know.
Gee, I don't know if that's really something she has in common with all Ghanaian mothers. Because a lot of Ghanaian mothers I see, they're very social. You know, they go to parties and stuff. Or I don't know if they go to parties, but
I got parties.
You know, there's always a friend coming over to the house. My mum is antisocial. Like, she loves being in her community. But then she likes to be on her own. I think we take after her, to be honest, because our father and our mother, they don't talk. They just watch TV. Seriously, my dad goes to work, comes home, sleeps, goes to work. Like, that's his life. And he doesn't mind that. And my mum, her life is...
Don't you know?
I don't know what... She's a mum. She does a lot of things. Alright, okay. You say.
You said waking up in the morning. Yeah, waking her up in the morning. I think I go through the experience the worst. Because I always forget to get towel, socks, and underwear from her. Yeah.
Because it's in her room. Yeah. Why don't you keep your own underwear?
I can't afford it.
Yeah, but you've already got the underwear.
Yeah, I know.
So
Moving on to next.
What do you mean you can't afford it?
You know, bank account and that. Anyway,
but
on.
You've already got the underwear. You don't need to buy underwear. What are you on about?
I haven't got underwear right now, so look, moving on.
No, that's not funny, bruv. You're leaning on me. You haven't got underwear.
I'm joking, man. Moving on.
What, you going commando?
Wait, what?
You know when you're going commando?
I thought you were going go Rambo, innit? Rambo, innit?
Maybe Rambo was going commando. He was in the jungle for a long time. I didn't see those spare pants, spare underwear, all that stuff. I didn't see that.
That was funny.
That was funny, man. Alright, one thing my mum doesn't like is not tidying up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and another thing, yeah. I think this is with all Ghanaian mothers, yeah. She doesn't like us doing nothing in the house. Like anything. I mean, if I'm sitting down watching TV for about 30 minutes, she's like, "Hey, you Kwame, go fold. Oh, go to the shop and get me sardines."
Have you been out yet? Have you washed up? Have you washed the car yet?
She'd be like, "Oh, have you cleaned the house yet?
Have you eaten yet?" No, she never says that. No.
You know the one where she asks you, do the washing, and then within 5 minutes, you haven't even left the room. She said, "Oh, have you done the washing yet?" How could I have done the washing, Mum?
It's sad, I know, man. Don't cry, don't cry.
I'm not gonna cry.
Don't. Come on, man. Lean on me, lean on me. Lean on me, man.
Bruv, don't let me punch you.
Lean on me.
Don't let me punch you.
Lean on me, come on.
Bruv, don't let me
lean on me.
You're touching my biceps.
Yeah, it's pretty good, man.
Yeah,
It's good exercise.
I'm putting that work in. I'm putting that work.
All types of work, man.
Putting that work in.
All types of work.
What do you mean by work? Because you've got some gay intentions.
No, I'm just saying, all types of work, man. Yo, why are you bringing gay stuff into this, man?
No, but because it's usually you who brings the gay stuff in.
I bring the straight things in. I bring them straight things. Them one.
Hey, yo.
Them straight.
I'm shaking. Sorry, we're shaking the camera.
Yeah, we're shaking.
Yeah, stop vibrating your leg.
Alright.
Control that leg. Alright.
It's crazy, bro. It's crazy.
Alright, another thing is not reading. Ever since I was young, yeah, my mum was always having a go at me for not reading. Yeah, oh, you don't read enough. Oh, you're not going to be good at comprehension. Oh, you must do what the Romans do. If you don't know English, how can you live in England? Blah, blah, blah. So I read by force.
Is this prison?
In prison. I mean, one of the books she forced me to read was Harry Potter. Yeah, I might be from the UK, but I don't like Harry Potter. Or as some people will call it, Harry Potter. That's what I call it, Harry Potter.
Yeah, we don't pronounce our T's, man. So any Americans who's watching this right now won't understand, we're retards when it comes to pronouncing T's.
But,
pronounce hospital. Hospital.
The proper way is hospital, but we say hospital.
Yeah.
There's no difference, man. There's no difference. I love the way everyone speaks.
You got tomato,
it's interesting.
Tomato. What does it go again? Is it tomato?
Tomato.
Yeah. You say tomato.
Yo, brother, what the hell were you talking about?
We're talking about dogs. No, I'm joking. I don't know. We're talking about pronouncing words. Comprehension. Mum's talking about comprehension.
Oh yeah. She used to force me to read books, and I remember when she forced me to read Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Did you finish the book?
No.
Yeah, apparently you got bored halfway through.
I'm not gonna lie, I just couldn't get into that book because I was a realistic kid. Even from the age of 5, I liked reading encyclopedias.
Same
here. Sorry for shaking the camera. I like encyclopedias. I like facts. I don't want to hear about dragons and monsters and little white kids with wands. Okay, there was a black guy in the film as well.
Did he die?
No, the black guy didn't die.
He never happened.
Hey, you done well. The black guy didn't die. I'm talking about the film directors. Thank you. Stop killing black people first in the movies all the time. I mean, it's not as bad as it used to be. I mean, yeah, you did have Kelly Rowland in that scary movie, and she died. Man, she's too pretty to be dying.
What a waste.
That's a shame.
Like Whitney Houston, man. What a waste, man.
Hey, rest in peace, man. Don't.
No. Rest in peace. Obviously, I'm just saying, what a waste. Man. Bodyguard.
Not even Bodyguard. Bobby Brown.
Wait, what? I'm talking about the movie, man.
Oh right,
right.
Right. Sorry.
was watching it the other day. No, not me. My mum was watching. I was over hearing. Yeah.
He was watching The Bodyguard. Bodyguard, you know. You know his favourite part of the film, yeah, is when he comes in lifting her up and kicking people out of the way so she can get out of the club, and she feels all safe. Like she's got a man putting her arms around him. The security's there. That was his favourite scene. And it was my father.
Let's leave this. Let's end it him, man.
Alright. Sorry.
Something else? You know anything else there is, man?
Oh yeah, another thing is Mum doesn't like it when we bring what's outdoors indoors. So
if you poo,
What? What was you gonna say, bro?
I said if you're gonna.
You was gonna say if you was gonna poo. What do you mean? What was you gonna say?
Move on.
No, you want to talk about doo-doo, bro.
Doo-doo, yeah.
What I mean is...
2 girls, 1 cup. Should we put the link in the description or...
Stop mentioning 2 girls, 1 cup because I swear down.
1 man, 1 jar, research that stuff. I think I mentioned this in a different video, you know? I don't know. But if I did, you know, make sure you watch that, you know? You'll gain a lot of knowledge from that, you know?
Anyway, I don't want to make this too long.
Yeah.
I mean, what I meant by... Let me just say my last point. What I meant by she didn't like us bringing outdoors... What was outdoors indoors because she... I mean, outside was the UK. Yeah. Outside the house or the apartment. That was England. But when you get back into the house, it's...
Donina.
It's Kumasi.
Donina.
It's Ghana, you know what I'm saying?
Donina.
Or Africa.
Donina,
yeah. Okay.
The village.
Okay. That as well. And like for example, I'll speak slang outside. I'll be like, "Yo, what's good? Wagwan fam," all that. And I get back home and it's like, "Hello, mum. How are you?" Blah blah blah. Yes, mum.
I got an A star.
Do you want tea, mum? Yes, mum. I'll cook dinner. Yes, mum. Okay. Yes.
Basically, he goes through slavery.
Yes, mum.
He goes through slavery.
Thank you, mum.
He goes through slavery and.
Then I go outside. It's like, "Yo, what's good, fam?" Yeah. You can't bring what's outdoors indoors, and that's respect. I mean, for any kids watching, you shouldn't bring what's outside indoors because your parents didn't come to this country to teach you that. You know, they came to this country because of hard work to give you an education. So give them the respect, yeah, and don't bring the disrespectful nature of the Western society indoors, because you know. They grew up on traditional knowledge, traditional wisdom. No matter where you're from, it doesn't matter what country you're from. Remember that.
Let's end the video here. If you enjoyed this video, and that was a really good outro, you know. I mean, we should just end the video there, you know. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you provide a like, subscribe, do anything you want. And yeah, we're done.
Peace.